Bia Kamal Kenyam ka Nuer online TV channel te kon ka lerum be kono leng ka kwi jwatan shwal ke cholera re which ka great panal state ajen ban kwi jwatan shwal ke cholera lingoni juye me chana daga long re wishin winimi ajen dana bana linkel gwasame kan kono niam mi jirama jidit go rejen odir subscribe ka Nuer online TV channel noga jeno dere support dere comment ka dere je share bokan ite kokien gor jeno ba de ja gor no bi notification bell bo je twany ko mete ga mishi bare dere je shamala linga gwasa me lere ban ling gwasa me chalre ne re which ka greater penal state you know shine diok shi ka liu ka join shal ka kolora no ka ne ti jan ngwanu de diech ti chakap en ka join shal ka kolora kolora jana joimi jega long no riunen to ngala jago ke no dang de dol ki dong tele jalot joyeme joimi bej ma goro de na ordin tikeja ano ala ka benere wi ka South Sudan ne kenyam jan toka ka chanka wel toka ka pai wel ron kin dangro jan dangro ru ngwana jan gwade dani toka tin me bana kula kap no to ne to shop ke kin wel chua ka kap ke chua jigo no ne kin ware wi ka South Sudan ke liu chua jigo en wo chaka kap jan joyeme ano gwaze me Roy Michala de Emmanuel Romano, Mila Director General Kamala Kal Teaching Hospital, Jenna Jeneriune no wan kono sha kep gas me jen jwe shal ke kolora me jeneriudi and yal ke dine ke dine atin kono shari ala ka tintere we ka Kamala Kal riude ni kan kep ke kolora gas me men chalat ano jene ka ken tin yala chine ka record jene ne de shobu jen wanu die che kan den content cha je jwe shal ka men wo e kolora jenere dien chine diok shi ka lutin ke jen kolora moni jero jadan ci kan larna mo kan larno dong mete ka joyra dien ke mete ne ko kene chamo ka joydo no kan larno ne di jen ngwanu de shaka ka kan ne de ko to kan ne ko na shiliu ba je nyaka yakel ka to english ka do brana chai lar ke je kan Upnal State Minister of Health has reported that it has reported 45 new cholera cases, including 3 deaths. A senior health official said South Sudan first declared cholera outbreak in October 2024, and the crisis has rapidly spread across the country, leading to tens of thousands of cases. According to Manuel Romano, Director General of Malakal Teaching Hospital, most of those affected are soldiers in the organized forces. He said medical teams are working to contain the outbreak through oral vaccination campaigns, proper patient management, and preventive measures. So far, we have recorded about 45 cases of infection and 3 deaths from cholera, Romano said. Speaking on SSBC, South Sudan Broadcast Corporation, it did not indicate the period in which the new cases were registered. Medicine Sans Frontiers MSF, which run a 100-bed cholera treatment center in Asosa and mobile team in other part of the state, said 932 cases were recorded in Malakal alone between October and December 2024. Currently, there is a slight stability in the situation, and we have put in place a number of plans, including setting up a large tent to contain the disease. In the military hospital, most of the affected are members of the regular forces. On his part, Apanal Minister of Health Ines Apuktong say some areas in the state are also grappling with the waterborne diseases. Mr. Apuktong say the State Minister of Health was preparing to roll out oral cholera vaccine for civilian and members of the army force from Thursday. In general, there is a great stability in most of the cities of the state except for some areas in Malakal city and a small part of Tonga in Panyakang County. Jendan jikalat kajen kui jwadame jendan go de lari kelen biata mal bye.